Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, it's a quick little haul. As you can see by the title above, it's a sticker haul. I picked up some stickers and I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get on with it. The first few little stickers that I picked up were these little minis, and I love these, you guys. These are the Jolie's by You. And this is what they look like. This one, I don't know if they have names or not. It just says, yes, leaf sprigs. This is what they look like. And I had first gotten these in some Happy Mail from Shara, and I'm obsessed. I love how cute and tiny they are. This one is, I have no clue. They're just like little flowers. Isn't it cute? And then there's this one. These are so fun to like add like little details to your projects. Wait, it's this way. Then we have these. How tiny are they, you guys? Look at these. So cute. And then the last one is these. Oops. Then moving along, we have these right here, which are some cute palm trees and coconuts. Perfect for summer. Anything summerish, palm trees. I love the coconuts, and they're pretty much dimensional. And you guys, I got these on a D-Stash on YouTube. Look how cute. This is a little doctor set. Does it have a, yeah, doctor. The little lab coat. The x-rays. Look at the pencil. I love how detailed Jolie stickers are. Then we have this one, which is hiking trip. And my wife is totally robbing me for this one. She loves book bags, like backpacks and stuff. She actually collects them. She has all kinds. We have the hunting one. She's also gonna take this one from me. And then there's this one, you guys. This was one of my favorite stickers last year for Halloween. So I'm glad to have another pack because I used up the one from last year. I'll probably get more during Halloween season. Then there's this one, which is New York. Look at the little pretzel, you guys. Statue of Liberty, the little New York signs. Super cute. Then there's this one that's like a shaker, and it says selfie. Then there's this one, which is woodland animals. This is perfect for fall, and they're like so thick and dimensional. Look at this, like real chunky stickers. I think I have something similar like this that Kate sent me in some mail, and they're chunky like that, but they're owls. They're all owls. Then we have classroom, which you have like the blackboard, the globe, the little desk, the books, and the notebook. Perfect for like back to school. Then we have these patriotic mason jars, and they're like, some of them are shakers. I've never seen these. Look at these with the pom-poms inside. I don't really do like 4th of July mail or stuff like that, but it's, as a gift, it's perfect. Because maybe I don't do the mail like that, but a lot of my pen pals do like making like holiday mail like that. I don't really do patriotic stuff. Look at these little pumpkins. Perfect for Halloween. Are they pumpkins? Yes, pumpkin. With the little gems. So cute. And you got so many. Then we have these right here, and these are snowflakes, little mini snowflakes. Then we have the little flip-flops. I think I have like 2 packs of these. These are fun. How cute. And we have these right here, which are the little palm trees. These are cute as well for summer mails. Cute little flowers, baby gem flowers. Cute. I love these. These are stitched colorful birds. How cute are these? These are definitely perfect for summer mail. I love the colors. And then last but not least are pink small florals. These are super cute too. You guys know I love me some flowers. These are fun. And in pink, yes please. And that is my small sticker haul. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love on my recent videos. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a new one. Don't forget to thumbs up. And yeah, that's about it. Till the next one, guys. Bye.